Catherine Bernardo update. And trending ngayon si Catherine. PGT comeback with Catherine. Congrats. Yung pinakilala ng mga hosts at judges ng Philippine Got Talent ay pang-feature nyo lang. One by one. At the post ng Philippine Got Talent, yung Pilipinas It's a Yes, sila ng ating PGT Season 7 Power Judges ng The Boss, Freddy, FMG, Garcia, New Gen, Mighty ni Idol, Tony Pangilinan, Comedy Star for All Season, Eugene Domingo, and the Asian Superstar, Catherine Bernardo. And congrats sa mga judges at hosts. Siyempre sila Melay at Kuya Robby. Ayan na, sa post ni Mami Bin. Ito na, Philippine Got Talent, new set of judges. May kayang magpipindot ng golden buzzer, you know. Inabangan yan. Ayan na sila.
Something na
Ito
I
yung interview
want to
kay Catherine.
experience kasi it's another first for me. I think this is a good breaker after doing Hello Love Again and before I start with a new project. Parang it's good to experience this, especially now I'm with Ate Melay, with Robbie, with good friends. So, marami din naman magka-guide.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Victor Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.